right now, I'd like to call back once again James to join her on stage. Alright, sa lahat ng mga nanonood ng ating Jollibee Live with JT on Facebook, maraming salamat sa Jollibee and Jollibee Burger Steak for making this event possible. Are you guys enjoying? Remember, 5,000 likes ang kailangan natin. So we'll have another performance from Nadine, this time of any song that reminds her of James. Pusuan nyo lang po ng pusuan ng ating live broadcast, okay? 5,000 likes. Right now, if I'm not mistaken, nasa 4.6 thousand likes. So 400 na lang. We will already get that additional performance from Nadine. But right now, since I've already invited James to join her back on stage, this time we will have real talk. We will get to know James and Nadine a whole lot more. Meron silang mga i-reveal tungkol sa isa't isa na hindi pa natin alam. We will get to know them better in this particular segment, okay? Tatanungin nila ang isa't isa and we will have a few more revelations. So make sure you catch this. I'll turn it over back to James and Nadine. Make sure you enjoy.
Question eh.
Okay. Here it is, guys. Real talk. Nadine, how did you know for sure that it's already the real deal?
Paano ko nalaman?
Or when?
When? Feb 11, syempre. Feb 11. Yun yung first time kami na nag-dinner sa labas. Tapos, alam niyo naman yun eh. Alam niyo na yun. Yun na yung sinabi niyang, parang, hindi ko daw in-expect na ganun ba siya ganun ba siya pag in love siya. Yun yung nagkabukuan na. Oh, 'di ba? Alam niyo naman yun. Syempre, nung nag-I love you na rin ako, yun na yun. Bakit may violent reactions? Okay, ako naman. If you were asked to give me a nickname, wag yun ha.
Nickname.
What would it be? Mais ka, wag yun.
Siyempre, Nadi. Or Pumpkin. Okay, my turn. What was your first impression of me?
First impression sa'yo? Tahimik. Tahimik. Dun yun sa music video shoot niya ng Alam Niya Ba? Kasi ako hirap na hirap akong kausapin siya kasi syempre English nosebleed, di ba? Basta yun, syempre hindi ko din first time namin yung ever. So ako parang hirap din akong mag-start ng conversation, ganun. Dati, so yun, tahimik. Ako na pala, okay. I remember the first thing we said to each other.
Ever? First thing? I don't know,
Hi, beso.
Yeah, I think so.
Kasi sa workshop, di naman tayo. Nagkaroon po kasi kami ng workshop before. Yun yung unang-unang beses kami nakita talaga. Pero hindi naman kami nag-usap at all. As in. Hindi ko din alam kung bakit hindi. Pero yun. So, I guess ito na yun sa music video shoot niya. Hello, hi. Beso. Na-disappoint sila. Ay, huh?
Sorry?
Wait lang, ano yun? Anong elevator? Kayo talaga namin yung alam ha. Next question na.
Okay, my turn. What's the most exciting thing you've done while on vacation?
Ano ulit yun?
What's the most exciting thing you've done while on vacation?
Most exciting thing. Actually, kasi lahat naman nung napuntahan namin, super exciting talaga. Like, na nag-Paris kami, especially sa Paris, kasi first time namin parehas doon. And then, yun talaga yung break lang namin. Tapos, naglibot-libot kami. Na-discover namin yung Paris. So, yun yung pinaka-exciting para sa akin.
So Paris.
Paris.
Okay.
What is your favorite holiday?
Korea.
Holiday? Halloween.
Holiday? Oh, okay, I thought you meant like
Ay,
vacation.
wait lang.
like
Ano ba?
holiday-
Vacation? Or both na lang?
Well, okay, favorite holiday vacation was Korea. Your birthday.
Halloween.
It was also Halloween, so
So, parehas na.
Halloween. Okay, what's your favorite memory of me? Favorite memory?
Ito na nga, iniisip ko lang ako aling sasagot ko, di ba? Favorite memory. Gusto ko yung sa Araneta din, syempre. Pero alam niyo na naman siguro yon. Hindi, yung sa Lake Tahoe talaga, sa San Francisco. Basta lahat yon, yung buong trip na yun yung pinaka-favorite ko. Kasi doon na nag-start kasi lahat. So okay na? Okay, ano ba? What do you like best about me?
What do I like best? I love that I'm so comfortable around you. And I can be myself. And you're understanding. Marami na yun.
Okay, your turn.
Okay, what's the most recent dream you can remember?
Recent dream? Wala ka dun sa dream eh.
So it's a bad
Pero,
dream.
pero nightmare kasi yun.
Okay.
Pero kasi, basta yung dream ko na yun, may humahabol sa akin doon. Hindi ko alam kung sino, pero wala siyang mukha. Kaya, ha? Wala kang mukha. Walang mukha, so hindi siya magandang dream, nightmare siya. Yun. Okay. What was your most embarrassing moment?
Most embarrassing moment? I think, yung sa Cosmo. Siyempre, I mean, oh my God. It haunts my dreams. Nightmares din. Okay, moving on. Okay, what is your favorite way of spending time with me?
Madami, pero pag nagte-travel,
I agree.
diba? Pag nagte-travel.
Yes.
Yun. Okay, next question guys. Ang dami niyo talagang alam ha. Okay, who has been the most influential person in your life?
My whole life.
Kilala ko to.
Hmm?
I think I know who it is.
I think it's Brett. Brett Jackson. I think so. He's been my good friend for a long time. He's always been there for me. Yeah.
Tama ako.
Sorry, guys.
Tama, ha?
Thank you. If you could go anywhere on a vacation, where would you go?
Wala pa nga ako sinasagot, kinikilig na. Gusto ko Tokyo.
Tokyo.
Kasi ever since talaga, kahit bata pa ako, yun talaga yung dream destination ko. Sa Tokyo, tapos Cherry Blossom Festival. Kahit nakita ko na yung Cherry Blossoms, iba pa rin talaga pag yung sa festival mismo, makikita mo nakalinya yung mga puno, tapos puro pink, tapos nalalagay, ay, ang ganda. So yun, yung gusto ko talaga. Okay. If there were 3 words that would describe the real James, what would those be?
3 words? Oh my God. 3 words. Guys, can you help me out? Ano, sweet, spicy?
Barbecue.
Yun na lang, sweet, spicy barbecue.
Talaga?
Yes, that's my final answer.
Okay, fine. Sige na. Answer accepted. Siya nga yung diba, sabi dito, kung merong 3 words na i-describe mo yung sarili mo, ba't binabago niyo yung tanong? Yun nga yung tanong, kayo talaga.
Oh, guys, we're
Okay.
at 5.4.